I think just like Andrew said, anyone who bought the house 10 years ago in one of these capitals is probably pretty happy today.
At the end of the crisis, so come sort of 2009, there was a lot of international buyers that had bought in the Nordics in B or C grade locations, and you know, when the crisis came, those properties became very difficult to trade. Yields had come down, and we really, in Sweden, we just didn't have a buyer for that. There were no international buyers for that kind of stock. So there was really a need for a company to come in and start buying some of that, what I would call B and C locations in Sweden. And what we did was we took a guy called Jens Engvall, and we attracted pension fund capital from Sampo in Finland, to the IKEA family and 2 other Swedish pension funds, and created a property company called Hemfosa. And what Hemfosa did is it went out and mopped up a lot of that type of property, just bought everything. Today it's listed, it's one of the biggest property companies in Sweden. They've done a tremendous thing. They've made a lot of money, and I think Jens Engvall is now a billionaire. So I think that's probably I think it shows you need to be brave, it was the right timing, and a fantastic performance. So I'd say the whole Hemfosa creation and performance.
Okay, great. Have you got one, Judith?
I came up with that one right now. It started a little bit more than 10 years ago, the total journey. It was Lehman Brothers and the Swedish private equity firm Ratos, who bought up the listed property company Tornet in 2002 maybe. And what they did was that it was a favorable, or at least no premium. I think it was a small discount on the stock exchange compared to the direct market. So they bought it out at a good price, and then they sold off portfolios from this Tornet company, sub-portfolios in a very strong market between 2005 and 2007, and then they exited the remainder of the company. They sold the last shares to the listed property company Fabege in 2007 it was. And all in all, that is a tremendous deal for Lehman Brothers. If it wasn't for all the other deals they've done, it would be a complete success story.
Thank you very much to everybody for coming, and thank you to the speakers. Thank you.